Thickness within tolerance. Quality check passed. Steady now, hold to level. Watch the chain, give me a little slack to the right. This confirmed at 10 millimeters. Pressure rising to the level. Maintaining steady force. Thickness is within tolerance. The curvature matches design specs. Excellent press quality. System operational. Watch as the tank hull undergoes progressive shaping on repeat block. Aligning the template now. Checking curvature. Steady now, aligning with frame. Watch that way, flank, slide down just.
The bead must be flawless for maximum protection. Every joint counts in battle.
That's it. That's all you got. Oh, do that. Check, hold there. Scan complete. Now on delivery is going acceptable.
We need to secure these plates before installing the turret assembly. Check the weld integrity and front armor sections.
Steady now, align the left edge with the hull board. Hold tight, moving slide forward. Hull integrity confirmed. Assembly milestone achieved. The 1,500 horsepower main battle tank diesel engine undergoes precision machining. The homing operation ensures exact military tolerances. Aligning the piston journal now. Torque to 1,200 Newton meters. Perfect fit confirmed. Engine unit number 23 at final inspection. All systems nominal. Connecting engine management system now. Running diagnostics. Power output is stable. System responding nominally. Engine emission output stable. All systems green for pre-test evaluation. Engine maintenance confirmed. All systems go. Engine at full load. RPM stable. Cooling systems functioning within parameters. The torque curve is within operational parameters. Thermal output spikes need closer monitoring. Notice the peak thermal output near the combustion chambers. Engine stable at 1,500 horsepower output. No unusual. Stand good, sir. Stiff label. Test set complete. Securing arm joint, torque within specs. Torque wrench set 120 Newton meters. Here we witness the culmination of armored vehicle engineering. A full suspension system with 14 heavy-duty road wheels. Aligning the sprocket teeth, steady, locking into place. This drive gear powers the entire track system. Align the idler carefully, then tighten all bolts to spec. Hold the track steady. Good, now right in front. Steady. Lower it up. Hold right there. Hold steady. Align here. Track in position. Commencing lift. Maintain perfect balance. This power plant must hold firm for combat readiness.
Steady. Now just 12 meters left.
Confirm alignment.
Ensure the fuel line is secured firmly. No leaks can be connecting reinforced hydraulic hose, color-coded for system integrity. Ensuring access open. Electrical here intact. All connections secure. Fiber optic link established. Data transmission optimal for combat comms. And ensure each harness is firmly zip-tied to the reinforced mounts. Aligning the circuit board now. Ensuring secure connection to the main bus. Initiating system diagnostics. All electrical subsystems responding within operational parameters. Module secure. Power systems nominal. Battle management active. Connecting core power line. Ensuring solid grounding. All circuits must be stable. Full weight subsystem passing final inspection. Initiating precision machining sequence on turret ring bearing surface. Maintaining strict tolerance. Calibration complete. Starting precision bore. Maintaining tolerance within microns for maximum ballistic accuracy. We verify exact tolerances to ensure battlefield reliability. Initiating bore inspection. Exterior surface smooth and free of corrosion. Align the hydraulic cylinder to ensure proper liquid.
Align the primary gimbal axis for optimal stabilization. Servo feedback is within operational parameters.
Align the computer carefully, securing all mounts for stability. Now connect. Aligning laser rangefinder for optimal targeting accuracy.
Alignment at 0 degrees. Night vision module operational. Calibration complete.
These blast-resistant linings significantly enhance crew survivability by preventing ammunition cook-off. Steady. Hold position. Aligning for installation.
Steady now, clamps engaged. Beginning lift in 3, 2, 1.
Engaging the heavy lift operation. Chains are balanced for optimal load distribution. Turret is clear.
Clear the area. Position the turret carefully.
Aligning turret to millimeter accuracy. Precision is paramount for battlefield reliability. Confirming turret ring mating is flawless. Connection is secure. This is a major milestone in the assembly process. Align the external tank carefully. Engage clamp. Ensuring all optical systems align perfectly is critical for crew situational awareness. Align the tile here. Align the cupola, 15 degrees to port. Perfect. Lock it tight. Hold the antenna steady. Neck power cable down. Secure the external container. Check. Track guard secured. Next, fitting the side skirts for added suspension protection. Securing self-recovery gear is critical for mission success under combat conditions. Tactical readiness confirmed.